Welcome back, guys. In this episode we're going to go and check out the Perry Sandhils over at Wentworth. Stick around. Well guys, here we go across the Abbotsford Bridge. Now the Perry Sandhils are about 35-40 minutes from Mildura. They're just the other side of Wentworth. So here's a Google map to show you where it is, right about there. I suppose I better give you a bit of a history lesson. So the Perry Sandhils, they sit on the edge of a floodplain, and due to the unique nature, the sandhills have been used as a backdrop in many films and television shows. They sit on about 400 acres of shifting sand dunes. That's a tongue twister. And according to geologists, they were formed after an ice age about 40,000 years ago. They were helped along by constant wind erosion over thousands of years, and that wind erosion still happens today. They've found skeleton remains of giant megafauna, including kangaroos, emus and wombats. There's replicas of these animals now on show at the Pioneer Museum in Wentworth, so we can check that out at some stage as well. Aboriginal tribes use this area to camp and hunt. There's still evidence of this being uncovered as the sands shift. So there we go. Without any further ado, let's check it out. Well, there you go. They do have toilet facilities and a picnic area. Rightio, here we go. I'll try to get up to the top of the kids. It's actually harder than it looks. It's very fine sand. Stop for a breather, I think. See how far I've come. I'm a little bit old for this. Still got to get all the way up there. Wear sandals, it's easy to get the sand out. Another breather. Geez, I'm puffing now. Woo! I think a heart attack's on the way. Woo! The top is in sight. Let's keep going. Nearly there. Oh, I've got the sun in my eyes now, so I must be getting close. Oh, made it! You beauty! Look at that! I think the trick is to follow the ridges as much as you can, so you're not going up and down quite as much. That might be a nice spot for sunset, I think. Well, that's Wentworth's Perry Sandhills. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.